Well, good evening, everybody. Here we have look at the Storm Team Fury, and it would appear that a little splatter of rain is here in the southern part of Champaign County and also here to the east of Decatur. So it's possible we could have a few very brief rain showers, perhaps in central Illinois, that most likely will not affect us here in our area. But that doesn't mean we're quite, out of the woods with a chance for rain. Here you can see some cloudiness moving in, and right along and through here we have a frontal boundary, and some of those little showers are developing out ahead of that. And again, because it's entering such a dry area, 25% relative humidity is extremely dry. Usually this time of year we get the humidity, and the way you can tell, I mentioned this I think yesterday on the air, if you wear glasses and you go from an air-conditioned building outside, or you get outside of your car that's air-conditioned, you know what, your glasses don't steam up. That's because there's not enough water in the air to condense on your glasses. So that's a real easy test to see if there's any humidity. And so far my glasses have not steamed up, I think maybe once this year. 89 degrees in Terre Haute, Mattoon 85, Mount Vernon 90, Peoria 79, a little cooler up there, and Moline 79 degrees, 89 in Louisville. I'll tell you this right now, by the end of the week, we could be looking at a temperature reading of near 98 degrees. Now that's very indicative of very dry air. When the sun has no water to evaporate, all of its energy is used to create heat. And we're going to really warm up. That's why a lot of the record highs are set in drought years, because there's no water and the sun just bakes everything. Casey has 87, Mattoon 85, Olney 91, Flora 90, Vincennes 90, and Linton 87 degrees. Well, look at these relative humidities, 24% in Terre Haute, Casey 27%, Mattoon 29, Robinson 20%, Vincennes 24. Very difficult to make any rain or even clouds when you have this low of a relative humidity reading. Now we do have some higher humidities and a little more moisture out to the west here. Wind speed right now in Paris is 6, Robinson 5, Vincennes 5, and wind gusts 12 in Rockville, 19 in Linton, 83 in Fargo, so it's still quite warm. Even Denver, the mile-high city, 103. So here we have a weather system that is edging closer to us, and I'm going to take this through on the Storm Team Futurecast to Sunday. Here's 6, 7, 8, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock in the morning. A little possibility for an isolated thunderstorm tomorrow, according to the Futurecast, at 11 o'clock. I'm not so sure that great of an area will be covered, but that is an area that looks like it could get a chance for some rain. And then by 4 o'clock in the afternoon, maybe a slight chance for rain during the late afternoon or evening hours tomorrow. Then this cold front goes through, and then it's cooler at the first of the week. Low 63, mostly clear and a light breeze tonight. Tomorrow, sunny and hot, a 20% chance for isolated storm. It's not much, but we'll take it. 94. 64 tomorrow night, a slight chance for storms. Again, a 20% chance. And then Monday and Tuesday look pretty good. I would say enjoy those while you can. Just so happens those are my days off. And then by Thursday and Friday of next week, Rondrell, we could be looking at 98 degrees. And so that is also an indication, when you get really hot like this, it's like Arizona or someplace like that. You get temperatures in the upper 90s to near 100 degrees, and that's an indication of drought-like conditions, and we definitely have a drought.
Well, we definitely have a drought, and so many people really depend on the rain, from the farmers to a lot of the landscapers out there. We could just really use some rain, so it seems like, with all this, with the small chance that we have, we really can use it.
Whatever we can get.
Definitely. Okay. Thank you very much, Kevin.